In recent months, the automotive world has been rocked by rumors surrounding the launch of the Kawasaki KLR 700 Tengai, which is believed to be a refinement of the legendary Kawasaki KLR 650 Tengai. The latest news that strengthens this rumor is the circulation of an interesting rendering image from the famous designer, Oberdan Bezzi. So keep watching. First introduced in 1987, the Kawasaki KLR Tengai entered the market as a versatile adventure motorbike with off-road sophistication and toughness. Developed from the KLR 650 base, Tengai stole the attention of fans with its iconic, durable design and reliable performance on various terrains. After many years, adventure motorbike enthusiasts around the world are now curious about the potential birth of its successor, and rumors regarding the Kawasaki KLR 700 Tengai are increasingly resounding. This rumor was strengthened by the circulation of an attention-grabbing rendering image, claimed to be the Kawasaki KLR 700 Tengai concept by the famous designer, Oberdan Bezzi. The rendering depicts an adventure motorbike with a more modern design, but still maintaining the characteristics of the KLR Tengai. The design includes elements such as aggressively styled headlights, a seat designed for maximum comfort, and a large fuel tank that is characteristic of adventure motorbikes. Even though there has been no official confirmation from Kawasaki, this rendering image has attracted enthusiasm from adventure motorbike fans around the world. That's all.